Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing a DIY hair mask. This hair mask is a good option if you're looking to grow your hair or add moisture and strengthen your hair. And it does so many other things that I'll touch on throughout the video. So let's stop the chit chat and jump right into this hair mask. So what you'll need for this hair mask is eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and the main ingredient, mayonnaise. And you're just going to mix all of that into one bowl. So once you mix all your ingredients together really good, it's ready to be applied to the hair. And I section my hair off into 4 sections. That way it's easier to apply the mask to the hair. And by the way, my hair is a little wet. It's not damp, but it is wet. So yeah, I just take a good chunk of the mask and I apply that straight to my hair, making sure I distribute it everywhere evenly and really working into my hair. So like I said in the beginning of the video, this hair mask can increase moisture in the hair from some of the ingredients in the mayonnaise like soybean oil and egg yolk. And egg yolk contains protein, tons of vitamins, and fatty acids, which all three of these combined strengthens the hair shaft and smooth hair follicles. This hair mask also corrects the pH balance in your hair from the vinegar in the mayonnaise, and it can also prevent excessive sun damage, providing an extra protective layer to each hair strand. And one of my favorite benefits I love about this hair mask is that it promotes hair growth. So once the hair mask is distributed all over my hair, I put it in a shower cap and I also wrap it in a towel to trap in heat, and that just helps it really set in my hair. And then I let it sit in for about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to rinse the hair mask out and I'm going to use cool water so my egg won't cook. But yeah, I'm going to rinse it out really good, making sure I get it all out. And this part took a while, but I didn't want any residue left in my hair, so I just took my time with rinsing it out. So now that I got all the hair mask out of my hair, I'm going to go in with my first wash, and I'm going to use this cleansing shampoo by Camille Rose. And then for my second wash, I'm going in with the Aussie Miracle Curl shampoo and the conditioner as well. But yeah, I really like this cleansing shampoo by Camille Rose. I thought it did a really good job with cleansing my hair and it got the job done. So I'm just working that into my hair from root to end, making sure I do a really good deep cleanse. So here's my hair fresh out of the shower from it being washed. and it feels pretty good right now. I don't have anything on it at the moment. But yeah, I do this treatment about once a month, and it's just something you have to do over time to really reap the benefits of it. But yeah, here's my hair when it's dry, and I detangled it and put my leave-in conditioner in, and it still feels pretty good. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.